walking up on this Q5, checking it out. Got the key here. Hit the buttons there. Look at that. Something different. It's some classy looking bright interior lights. You got some tinted windows. You don't see it as pronounced from the side, but it's beaming from the front, boy. Looks pretty good. It's LED lights. We've got a performance grille, and these are the fog grills. We've also got the updated package on that, the aftermarket package. He's got shiny S mirrors. Let's take a better look at these lights, because that's the reason why I'm making this video for you. All of these lights up here, LED. Same with back here, LED. LED. If I get enough interest, I'll make a video on how to do the LED lights, how to take out the plastic pieces and put in the lights. This one also has some pretty interesting artwork. On this side we have, I don't even really know what that is. Tell me what you think that is. Looks kind of like it may be a couple ghost faces or something. Some rocks, I don't know. And this one has something different. It's like leopard skin or something. Look at that. Under door light. I wonder if the rears are different. Nope, we just got basic under door lights here. What is... There's little... My light's on and there's little flies that like it. Now it's dust. These mirrors look different as well. The light, the turn signal light looks different. Missing a cap for the third wiper. I don't know what this G is, but probably something left over from the body shop or something. That's my best guess. Take a look at this. We got the panoramic sunroof underneath this cover, but there's no way I would try to scroll this back. This is a power cover, and it looks like it's sagging. It looks like it's bound up back there, and what I would do with that, unless you want to spend the money to put new cover in there, the whole assembly, the wind up mechanism and all that, I would just take it out. Yep, that's what I would do. It's broke. I'm not trying it. It's not my car. These are like vegan leather seats. It's not like real leather. Not in the newer ones. We're too eco-friendly for that. But you notice how it's supple right here and it's hard and crispy right here. Hard and crispy right here. At some point the sunroof was left open. That's my best guess. Or it could have been like towels or something, wet towels. This bottom right here, all of this is hard and crusty. What about the driver's seat? You just give it a nice little feel test. The driver's seat is still good. The rear seats, they look good, but just this passenger seat, we got some water damage, it looks like. And we've got a custom little bumper panel right here for scratch guard protection. I showed that in my video with removing the rear bumper on my Q5. Whenever I was doing Uber, there'd be people that would constantly pull out their suitcases and stuff and scratch my rear bumper. So that is a nice little addition that I've never seen that looks like you can just glue that right on. If someone knows where you can get that from, help me out and pin it in the comments. And that will be a video. That's all I see. And that's what we're looking at, but we've got some burnt out LEDs. Let's see if the other side, well, that other side's working the way it should. But this side, it's burnt out. Burnt out. This side looks like it held up a little bit better. I'm pretty curious why we have these racing vent holes in this air dam cover. This is just a radiator cover to hold in the air to go, you know, I wonder if this snow, you know, this is still installed. I'm surprised. We got the racing holes drilled custom in this upper air dam, but we still have the factory snow screen in here. We've got the foam bumper insert that's just drooping and dropped and just sitting in there. I don't know why that needs to be in there at all, but it's in there. All right, is that enough for this video, or do I have something else to show you? We'll go ahead and take a better look at these mirrors. First off, I can tell that they can't be high dollar quality because the chrome is already peeling. They seem cheap. I've never seen them before. It would appear that there's a light. There's some kind of LED in here, and this one has like a blue tint to it. This mirror right here does fit, it looks like. Let's look at the other one. And this is backup camera onto my lift. %100% trust in the camera. Yeah, I'm backing up on the lift. I know, that's not how it's designed. I still do it though. Right about there.